How's it going, everyone? This is Guide to Everything. In today's video, I'll show you on how you can connect your Bose Bass Module 500 to Soundbar. So first things first, the easiest way to do this is to connect them wirelessly. You want to get the application called Bose on the App Store or the Google Play Store. From here, you then want to click on Connect a Product, click Allow Access, and what you want to do is to actually just click on the product that you want to set up. So in our case, it's going to be the actual soundbar. You want to select your Bose Bass Module 500. So let's just go ahead and click on the OK button right here. And simply right after, you then want to click on the device that is currently at your house or at your surrounding. From there, you simply want to click on the setting of that specific soundbar or that specific bass module. You then want to click on Setting, Accessory Speaker, and click on the Add Bose Accessory Speakers. From there, you want to locate your Bose soundbar, and you can follow the on-screen instructions in order to finish pairing. So that's how simple it is to do it. But if you want to do it wirelessly, of course, there's also a way to do that, which is completely optional. You want to go ahead and get yourself a 1" eighth or 3.5mm stereo cable to the acoustic mass jack on the soundbar. And then you want to plug the other end of the jack to the bass module. And from there, they will be connected automatically by using just the 3.5mm jack. And so guys, if this video has been helpful, leave a like, subscribe, and follow us for more videos like this. Thanks for watching.